All right guys, today I'm going to show you guys why it is so important to deck plate your blocks, how easy it is to distort these things. I'm going to put my snap gauge in here. I'm going to set it up to where it's about right there, so you guys can see that it's stuck in there, it's not moving. All I'm going to do is push on the sides of the block, and you can see that fell in there. So that, just from my hands pushing on the outside of the block, it distorted it enough to have that fall in there. So you can imagine what it's going to be like when you have bolts that are torqued at sometimes 150 pounds on the race applications. Why it's so important to deck plate your block before you hone it. All right guys, so this block is now done being honed. As you can see, there's this deck plate, or a torque plate, some people like to call it on here. And I'm going to show you that this diamond hone basically puts these blocks perfect within a tenth from top to bottom. Deck plate off, and we're going to show you how bad that torque plate actually distorts this block. So as you guys seen earlier, when we measured it, we were about a half over, which is our spec for these engines. And now we're going to measure it at the top. You can see we're actually -2 to -5 under now. And as that goes down, it's going to slowly get better. Now we're at close to 0, 2. And at the bottom, we get closer to where we left it because the bolts don't go all the way down to the bottom of the block. They're all the way up here. So as you can see, it does affect it a lot and does distort it a lot, torquing it down. And so theoretically, when we torque a head back on this, it should be going back to exactly what we had it when we honed it when we had the deck plate on it. So